Hello everybody and welcome back. This is Omar with Everhome Real Estate, and today I'm at 3301 Rutherglen Drive in San Ramon. It's an amazing home in Windemere. It's a 6-bedroom, 4-bath, 4,232 square feet property that is special. Not only is it large, but it's also very warm and welcoming, and it has amazing amenities nearby. So you have top schools, walking distance, very close proximity. You have parks almost on every corner of this city. And you have places like The Lot, which is an outdoor shopping center with movie theaters, restaurants, amazing community nearby. So you have the schools, you have the shopping, you also have jobs in areas like Bishop Ranch. You have everything you would ever need to call this place home. So I invite you to tour this home, and I will see you soon.